This is the personal cloud storage device from the folks at Orico. This is a great way to be able to connect an SSD drive to your cloud storage, your office facility here. I just moved into this space, hence the units being blank and empty, but I do need to be able to pass data from one of my employees to myself, and I don't want to keep, unplugging and transferring. It's going to be nice to be able to connect this through a gigabit of internet and be able to access this on your home network or your office network. With that said, the folks at Orico did sponsor this video and provide this to me complimentary. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here. Let's go into the installation, setup, all that good stuff. Unboxing, super straightforward. What you're gonna need here is obviously a hard drive to be able to plug into, but it's got all the cords and accessories necessary for you to be able to connect it to your system. It's got the gigabit of Ethernet, you've got the unit itself, which we'll show you the details for, and then you've got your other cords that you'll use to connect it to that network. I'm in the United States, so I'm gonna put the plug here that fits my specific situation, lock it into place. You got the 12-volt battery, and then the instructions to use it. Coming up close here, here's what the unit looks like. Here, as you can see, it's really cool and matte. It's made out of an aluminum material here, so it's gonna be nice and sturdy. On the side of it here is your I/O. Here's you're gonna be plugging into the 12-volt reset, USB Type-C, you got your LAN cable, and then your power button. Installation is super straightforward. It's magnetic, it just comes right off. This is how you're going to be setting up your SSD solid state drive inside the unit. Let's go and show you how to install it. I've got this 1/2 terabyte Toshiba here that I used to use. Now I want it in the office to be able to connect to it. What's cool is this has a quad core CPU to be able to read and write and also manage the device itself. You're gonna slide it in until you feel it press in there, and then you use this unit here to be able to lock it into place. There you go. As you see, your unit is nice and solid here. Let's go ahead now and replace the top unit. Now we're ready for setting it up. I've got my router here. As you can see, the Ethernet is plugged right into it here. You can see that it's giving it data. We're gonna follow it here to my hand. Here is the Orico cloud storage. As you can see here, it's plugged in and powered on. And then on the side here, you can see that it went from red to blue. The disk is ready, the status is ready. And now all that you have to do is follow along here for the QR code if you want to set it up and download the app. I'm in the app here. It's called WeLines.io. It's a utility app that you're gonna use to be able to connect to the device. Now that I'm in here, I already went through the account setup process and I already went in to add my device here. So as you can see, we're gonna go into node, and you can see now there's my node, and you have to go ahead then and format it so that you can be able to use it. I'm gonna put it in a normal format, basic mode. There's my disk partition, and then you just move forward and do it. It's deleting all the data. There shouldn't be anything on that hard drive that I really need. There we go. Now we formatted it here, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in a public space. I can create a new folder here if I want. Just create a folder that says finished work. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to upload a picture and a file. We're going to upload this picture, upload the full image, hit upload. Now we've got my photo, my image here that you'll be able to see that we just uploaded there to the cloud. Alrighty, once you've uploaded the files that you want to, you can go ahead here and you can tap the photo or the picture and you can download it directly, copy it. You can share it here either with a link or use other apps to share it here. I hope this product speaks for itself. This is an awesome unit here to be able to connect via Ethernet and be able to access on your network. I think it's awesome to be able to have a all-in-one solution here if you want to back up your files, if you want to be able to communicate between different devices. I think it's a great way to be able to do that. With that said here, this is a sponsored video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here. That does help out the channel. Otherwise, thanks guys. We'll catch you in the next one.